How to detoxify the body. 10 natural tips to maintain health. Feeling sluggish, bloated, or constantly tired? Your body could be begging for a detox. And no, we're not talking about expensive juice cleanses or extreme fasting plans. Here's how to naturally reset and revitalize your system from the inside out. 1. Start your day with warm lemon water. Kickstart your digestive system each morning by drinking warm water mixed with freshly squeezed lemon. This simple ritual helps flush out toxins, alkalizes your body, and provides a burst of vitamin C to strengthen immunity and rejuvenate your liver naturally. 2. Load up on fiber-rich foods. Fiber acts like a broom, sweeping toxins and waste out of your digestive tract. Eat plenty of fruits, vegetables, legumes, and whole grains to support bowel regularity and reduce the risk of toxins reabsorbing into your bloodstream. 3. Drink plenty of water. Hydration is your body's most basic detox tool. Water helps flush toxins through your kidneys and supports every cellular function in your body. Aim for at least 8 glasses a day, and even more if you're active or in hot climates. 4. Get moving with daily exercise. Physical activity doesn't just sculpt your body, it also boosts your lymphatic and circulatory systems, helping flush out waste and improve digestion. Whether it's brisk walking, yoga, or strength training, movement promotes detox on a cellular level. 5. Sweat it out in a sauna or steam room. Sweating through your skin helps eliminate heavy metals and toxins stored in fat cells. Regular sessions in a sauna or steam room can boost circulation, reduce inflammation, and improve your skin's clarity and glow. 6. Support your liver with detoxifying foods. Your liver is your body's main detox organ. Feed it right with foods like garlic, turmeric, beets, leafy greens, and cruciferous vegetables like broccoli and cauliflower, which help stimulate liver enzymes that flush out toxins. 7. Cut down on processed foods and sugar. Refined sugar and processed foods can overload your system, feeding bad gut bacteria and spiking inflammation. Ditch the junk and replace it with whole, nutrient-rich alternatives like fruits, seeds, nuts, and lean proteins. 8. Try intermittent fasting. Giving your digestive system a break for 14 to 16 hours can trigger autophagy, your body's natural cellular detox and repair process. This powerful tool may help reduce inflammation, improve metabolism, and clear out damaged cells. 9. Prioritize sleep and restorative practices. Detox isn't just physical, it's also neurological. During deep sleep, your brain flushes out harmful toxins through the glymphatic system. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep and practice mindfulness techniques to reduce cortisol and emotional toxins. 10. Use herbal support wisely. Certain herbs like milk thistle, dandelion root, burdock, and cilantro can aid liver function, reduce oxidative stress, and gently support detoxification. Always consult a healthcare provider before adding new herbs to your routine. While internal detox is vital, don't forget the external toxins you're exposed to daily. Household cleaners, skincare products, and even air fresheners often contain harmful chemicals that can burden your liver and endocrine system. Switch to natural alternatives like vinegar-based cleaners, essential oil diffusers, and non-toxic personal care products. Reducing toxic exposure outside your body is just as important as cleaning up what goes inside. Detoxifying your body doesn't have to be extreme or complicated. By consistently applying these natural strategies, hydrating properly, eating whole foods, moving daily, resting deeply, and supporting your liver, you give your body the tools it needs to cleanse, repair, and thrive. If you're ready to feel lighter, more energized, and in control of your health, start with just one of these tips today and build momentum. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more science-backed wellness tips every week.